Hi, I'm Rhea Rose of Team TGFB. Thank God for victory. Let me share you a short story of my journey in MLM industry. It all started with a dream and desire and believing in God and of course to myself that I can make it. As the saying goes, whatever your mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. I remembered when MLM was first introduced to me way back 2000 through flyers. I really fell in love with the concept kasi mahilig talaga akong magnegosyo. Pinalaki ako ng mga magulang ko to have that business mindset kasi naaalala ko, grade 6 pa lang ako noon, kasama na niya ako sa business namin, sa small business namin. Nasubukan ko rin noon mamili sa Divisoria at the age of 12, 13. Yun yung ipapaninda namin. And then, dahil sa hindi naman kami ganun kayaman, nasubukan ko rin magbenta-benta sa school para pandagdag ko sa baon ko everyday. Kaya naman sinabi ko sa sarili ko, nung na-discover ko yung MLM, aaralin ko to, tatrabahuin ko, and hindi ko na siya tinigilan. But sad to say, on my first attempt, it didn't work out. Sabi nga, in any business, right timing is everything. Maybe because I'm still young then, or I still don't have the right mentor. So it leads me to become an employee for almost 4 years and I became an OFW for almost 3 years. Ang akala ko noon, I wasted 7 years of my life. Pero hindi pala. It made me more stronger and better in life. Mistakes have the power to turn you into something better than you were before. That is why I changed my path. Kasi sabi ko, parang hindi ito yung gusto ko. Parang hindi ito yung para sa akin. So when I get back home, nung nasa Pilipinas na ako from abroad, pilit kong hinanap ang pagnenegosyo. Along my journey, I learned that if you want to become successful in MLM industry or in any business, you have to change your mindset into rich, positive mindset. You have to develop an EQ or emotional quotient, meaning you should be smarter and stronger and embrace the law of leverage. So yun yung ginawa ko. Binilit kong magnegosyo. Naghanap ako ng MLM company and with God's grace, I met Chris Laksamana. Chris Laksamana introduced me MLM company for the second time. Sabi nga, if you see an opportunity, grab it instead of saying hindi mo kaya. Learn from your mistakes and failures. But sad to say, for the second time, I need to choose between my career and being a full-time mom. Of course, I chose to be a full-time mom. Kasi pareho kami ni Chris that we wanted to raise our kids the way we wanted them to be. But doing business is really my passion. That is why my career didn't stop there. As the saying goes, kapag gusto, may paraan. Kapag ayaw, maraming dahilan. So I do business. I joined different direct selling companies like Ibo, Natasha, Boardwalk, Sophie, and so on. Nasubukan ko ring pumunta sa Baclaran, Divisoria para mag-angkat ng mga paninda. As a full-time mom, so ginagawa ko siya part-time lang. Binebentahan ko yung mga kapitbahay namin, yung mga parents ng classmate ng anak ko, mga teachers. And then, nag-real estate din ako. Hindi pa ako nakontento. I think of having my own brand. Until I realized na barya-barya lang yung kinikita ko, nauubos pa yung oras ko sa mga anak ko. Kasi we all know naman that if you do traditional business, kailangan mo ng maraming time in order for you to become successful there. So I decided and focused for the third time. I do MLM part-time but with full-time attitude. I joined Chris on our previous company. I tried to do it offline. Nagte-training ako, syempre to refresh. I do training, I am attending trainings and then flyerings, etc. Pero hindi ako ganun naka-build ng malaking grupo. I remembered year 2015 when I discovered online marketing. Grabe, it is really my breakthrough. Nag-umpisa ako nun mag-online. Nagbenta-benta ako direct selling ng mga produkto ko until I discovered groups and pages. Sabi ko, grabe, magagawa ko ng MLM. I can do prospecting. And ang kagandahan nito, we are husband and wife doing it. I usually do prospecting and my husband do the keeping and mentoring. Paano ko siya ginagawa? I build relationship on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and in any social media platform. And naaalala ko noon, yung first group na na-build ko is more on OFWs. Kasi usually, ang mga OFWs, sila yung nangangailangan ng kausap, negosyo. Until lumaki na yung grupo, nakakuha ko ng mga leaders down the lines through online, international, and nationwide. That is why kapag nagustuhan namin ng isang kumpanya, we make sure to do it and be on top. When pandemic came, medyo nagulat kami kasi that time, nag-change of heart pa yung company namin. Wala kaming source of income. Tapos maraming kumpanya nagsarado. Ang akala namin noon, wala na kaming pag-asa ulit na muling bumangon. Buti na lang, may online marketing, ginawa namin, nagbenta-benta kami. Pero syempre, hindi naman yun yung forte namin. So, ang ginagawa ng husband ko, naghahanap pa rin siya ng kumpanya, yung babahayan namin at tatrabahuin namin. Until one day, meron na siyang nakitang kumpanya, may pinakita siya sa aking product. At first, hesitant ako kasi hindi yun yung forte ko, hindi yun yung gusto kong binibenta. Binibenta ko usually mga fashion, cosmetics. So sabi ko, paano ko yan ibibenta? Sino magiging client ko? Pero syempre may tiwala ko sa kanya. Alam ko na kapag nagustuhan niya isang kumpanya, worth it itong trabahuhin. So I tried the product and grabe, nung sinubukan ko siya, ngayon halos lahat ng variants, especially yung essential oil, ginagamit ko siya everyday. Lalo pa nung dumating si Alta Immune, grabe, yung Alta Immune Essential Oil namin, ang akala namin noon, anti-COVID lang siya kasi it's antiviral. So, akala namin ang napapagaling lang niya or ang nape-prevent lang niya is COVID. Until nung marami ng user nito, ang dami ng gumagamit nito. Grabe, sobrang daming nagte-testify na mga gumagaling na may karamdaman kasi nga, it boosts immune system. And ang tawag pa nga dito sa Alta Immune is miracle in a bottle. So, sobrang ganda niya. And because of the effectiveness and affordability of the product, kinuha namin ng Enterprise Partner Hub here in Antipolo, and because I really love to sell, especially nowadays, it is very easy to market through online. I do it 2 to 3 hours per day, consistently and persistently, and nakakreate ako ng team globally. Kaya naman, I became top 4 performer ng We Provide and became the top 1 sales performer for the whole year 2021 as an Enterprise Partner Hub. Thank God, in just a year, I created my first millions.
Grabe guys, eto na siya, napapalit ko na. Grabe, ang sarap ng feeling, no? Kumikita ka kahit nasa bahay ka lang, doing online marketing.
And the best part is, nagagawa ko pong magnegosyo kasama ng mga anak ko sa pang-araw-araw na buhay. Siyempre, all of this happened with the help of TGFB members, our TGFB core leaders, and of course, my husband for making our online marketing more advanced and strategically. Sabi nga, if you see the result or you visualize what will happen in the end of your journey, you will not stop until you reach that success. As a full-time mom, those are not easy. So you have to be happy, be passionate, and enjoy what you are doing. You have to put your heart in everything that you do. Success is not the key to happiness, but happiness is the key to success. Lastly, you have to be committed. You have to set your goal. You have to build momentum, and don't stop until you're not yet successful. Do whatever it takes. Just think of your deepest why, and of course, pray. Like ako, in everything that I do, I make sure to put God first in everything. Kaya ikaw na nanonood ng video na ito, na nangangarap at naniniwala na kaya mong maging successful, ikaw naman ang next millionaire at mag-share ng success story mo dito sa We Provide. And I believe that fortune is for the brave. Actually, if you do network marketing or MLM the right way, it is not the fortune that matters. It is who you become. I want to end this to give gratitude, of course, to God, and to the owners, our President, Ma'am Celeste Reyes, Sir Anthony Nang, to our BP, Sir Art, Sir Neil, to our IT Master, to the management, Ma'am Arlene, Ma'am Vina, Ma'am Roma, Ma'am Andeng, and for the rest of the team. And syempre sa nagdala sa amin sa We Provide, sa aming idol, Sir BP Francis Garcia, and especially to our TGFB members, TGFB core leaders, because we really work as a team. Coach Wilward Simeon, Coach William Gumban, Coach Rose Ann, Coach Kuya Sorter, and to my upline, my mentor, my husband, Chris Laksabana, na walang sawang nagpaplano para sa team TGFB. And lastly, to my parents who loved me and raised me the way I am right now. And syempre, sa mga anak ko na lagi nagpapasaya sa akin sa araw-araw. I love you so much. Again, this is Rhea Rose of Team TGFB. Thank God for victory. Rise and shine! We provide.